Final weigh-in time.
49.
49. Mine was like 39 yesterday, so I'm set. It's time to head downstairs to head to the airport to head home. I'm gonna sleep on this first plane. We all made it through. Time to get on our flight to Charles de Gaulle, France. Paris. It's time to go home. Alrighty, it's time to try and find our flight out of here in the Paris airport. This is a confusing airport. Oh, more stairs.
I'm gonna click this.
Oh, that's funny. Had to stop for a quick snack, even though our line is incredibly short, even though it said that it started boarding at 9:37, but does not look like it. Home sweet home for 11 hours. Yay.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in and have a wonderful flight. Thank you for flying with Delta.
Yep.
Hour and a half left to go. Yeah, hour and a half. We're almost there. We'll have 3 hours in Salt Lake, and then head home. I'm ready. I miss my dogs. We can see the ground. Back in the United States. Yes. Yay, made it to Salt Lake. For customs. Now for the dreaded turning of the phone back on. This is it. Heading home. Yes.